Alright guys, so we're heading to the Fast and Furious Hollywood construction because it's time for an update.
I don't know the time.
This is the final series of season 1. Season 2 is on 2025. Alright guys, so we're almost at the Fast and Furious Hollywood construction. And there's a snowman sitting on a bench right there. And super in the water. We opened. Alright guys, so we finally made it. This is how it looks now. It is getting even bigger. And I see a tram going down there. I see a tram going down there, Mom. And there's Dogman like that that's coming out on January 31. There's a lot of construction here. And they're starting to. House is looking good. And the studio tour can see light, and I can see the Christmas tree and Super Nintendo over there. And I can see this because I'm working because they're not supposed to be working on Sunday. And I just see a light right there. Oh, because they're having a Grinch show. Oh, and they still have a fire truck there. They have a fire truck there. And we saw this while we were on the studio tour. And I just see that studio, a train right there.
That's update number 10. Thank you for watching. Yeah.
But I haven't finished this episode. But I haven't even finished this video. It's only like 3 minutes. It's look at this. Look at this. Now I'm gonna create a new playlist while we're in the car. Okay guys, thanks for watching this last video of season 1.
Okay, come over here, hold my hand.
We will finish, and this series will be finished by 2026. Happy holiday.
There or there, either one.